we got two stray cats we brought in the house. There's Lucy. She's a little shy. Hey, Lucy. There she is. She's so lovable, though. She's so cute, ain't she? And then there's Mr. Pickles. Mr. Pickles is trouble. But he's a loving cat. So when my wife goes to sleep at night, they both have to sit on her chest and purr and talk to her and give her love. They're so cool. Here's Mr. Pickles. Mr. Pickles. Gotta love them. Both stray cats are always the best. We've had great luck with pulling in stray cats that were babies. Come on, Lucy. Peekaboo. She's freaking funny. Come on, Lucy, smile. All right, guys, it's Henry out. Have a good night.